What if your money could keep working long after you've stopped? While most people trade hours for dollars, wealthy people focus on building something very different: systems that can generate income without requiring their constant attention. And that's one of the biggest differences between simply earning money and building wealth. Here's how it works. Imagine two people each earn $100,000 a year. The first person uses almost all of that income to upgrade their lifestyle: more expensive cars, bigger payments, more subscriptions, and more things that lose value. The second person asks a different question. How can I turn today's income into tomorrow's income? That person starts buying or building assets. And this is where the wealth building engine begins. Asset number 1. Businesses. A successful business can continue generating revenue through employees, systems, technology, and repeat customers, even when the owner isn't personally doing every task. That's leverage. Asset number 2. Investments. Stocks, index funds, and other productive investments can potentially grow in value and generate dividends over time. The goal isn't to predict every market move. It's to own productive assets and give compounding enough time to work. Asset number 3. Real estate. Property can potentially produce rental income while also appreciating over the long term. But wealthy investors understand something important: an asset isn't valuable simply because it has a high price. The real question is, does this asset put money in my pocket, grow in value, or both? And then there's the most powerful asset of all: intellectual property. Books, software, courses, digital products, patents, licensing, and content can potentially be created once and sold repeatedly. That means 1 hour of work today can sometimes create value months or even years from now. But here's the part most people miss. Rich people don't necessarily work less. They work differently. Instead of constantly asking, "How can I make more money this month?" they increasingly ask, "How can I build something that makes money without requiring another hour of my time?" That shift, from income to assets, from effort to leverage, from working for money to making money work, can completely change the way you think about wealth. Because the ultimate goal isn't simply to earn more. It's to build a financial machine that becomes stronger with time. Your job pays you for the work you do today. Your assets can potentially reward you for decisions you made years ago. And that is how wealthy people make their money work, even while they sleep.